Hello, my name is Stephanie Calvortis. I belong to Group 891. I am 24 years old. I study psychology. A year ago, I went to Santa Marta with my family, and we all went for a walk to get to know the city and enjoy the sea. First, we go to the airport, which was very big and beautiful. Then we went to the hotel. That day we go to shower, sleep, and fix the skates. Finally, we went out night to eat and sit on the beach to eat coconut and dance. The second day we went to the beach. We spent the whole day in the place playing together, and we were listening to vallenato. The third day we went for a walk to a beautiful beach where you could see the color of the sea with different colors and different marine space. For the we were in the city of Santa Marta now, the tourist place of the city, and at night we return to the beach, and of the 5 day we return to the beach. We are shared seafood such as fish, ceviche, and lobsters. And finally, on the 6th day, we return to the Pereira with my family. Thanks.